What if tomorrow, astronomers detected something that couldn't possibly belong to our universe? Not another galaxy, not another dimension, not a planet billions of light years away. Another universe. A completely separate cosmos with its own galaxies, stars, black holes, and possibly its own history. At first, scientists probably wouldn't announce it. They would assume the data was wrong, the telescope was malfunctioning, the signal was contaminated. Someone made a calculation error. Because finding another universe wouldn't just be the biggest discovery in astronomy. It would force us to reconsider what the word universe even means. And the strangest part is that some theories of modern physics already allow multiple universes to exist. So what would actually happen if we found one? The first signal. The discovery probably wouldn't look like a giant portal opening in space. It might begin with something much smaller. A strange signal. Imagine several independent telescopes detecting the same unexplained pattern. The signal doesn't come from a star. It doesn't match a black hole. It doesn't behave like a known radio source. And most importantly, its properties don't fit anything inside our observable universe. Scientists would try every normal explanation first. Instrument error. Cosmic radiation. Unknown astrophysical object. Even an undiscovered particle. But suppose they eventually discover something impossible. The signal appears to be coming from a region where there should be nothing. No galaxy, no star, no known source. Yet the pattern contains information that appears to describe an entirely separate spacetime. That would change everything. Because there is a huge difference between saying another universe might exist and having actual observational evidence that one does. The scientific community would probably spend months or years trying to destroy the discovery. And that's exactly what scientists should do. Because if every alternative explanation fails, we would have our first evidence that reality extends beyond our universe. But detecting another universe is only the beginning. The next question would be much more terrifying. Could we actually see inside it? Looking across the cosmic border. Here's the problem. If another universe is truly separate from ours, there may be no normal distance between us. You can't simply point a telescope toward it. A telescope works because light travels from one location to another. But if another universe has its own space-time, ordinary light from that universe may have absolutely no path into ours. It could be like trying to photograph a completely different sheet of paper using a camera that only exists on your sheet. But some theories suggest the universes could interact indirectly. Maybe gravity could leak between them. Maybe two universes could collide. Maybe tiny quantum effects could leave fingerprints in our own cosmos. And this gives astronomers something to search for. Anomalies. Suppose the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light we can observe, contains a bizarre circular pattern. Scientists analyze it. Then another telescope finds the same structure. And another. Eventually, they realize the pattern could be explained by our universe interacting with another one in the distant past. Suddenly, the oldest light in our universe would become a kind of archaeological evidence. A scar left by something that existed outside our cosmic horizon. And if that happened, we would face a terrifying possibility. The other universe might not be completely isolated from ours. It might have touched us before. What would the other universe look like? Finding another universe wouldn't necessarily mean finding another version of Earth. In fact, it could be almost completely unrecognizable. Imagine a universe where the laws of physics are slightly different. Maybe gravity is stronger. Maybe stars burn differently. Maybe atoms form in different ways. Maybe the constants that control electromagnetism aren't exactly the same. Change some physical constants even slightly, and the entire universe could evolve differently. Stars might never form. Galaxies might collapse differently. Chemistry could become radically different. Or perhaps the laws are almost identical to ours. In that case, things become much more interesting. That universe could contain stars, planets, black holes, maybe even chemistry capable of producing life. But don't imagine an Earth copy immediately. The universe is unimaginably large. Even if the laws of physics are identical, the chances of another Earth-like planet appearing in exactly the same configuration could be incredibly complicated. And there's an even stranger possibility. What if the other universe is older than ours? Our universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Another universe could theoretically have existed for trillions of years. Its stars could have formed, died, and been replaced over unimaginable timescales. Its civilization could have developed long before Earth existed, which raises the question nobody would want to ignore. Could something be living there? What if another universe has life? Finding another universe containing life would be completely different from discovering alien life inside our own. Alien life would prove that life can develop somewhere else. But life in another universe would prove something much bigger. Life doesn't require the specific history of our cosmos. Imagine scientists somehow detect an artificial-looking signal coming from the other universe. It repeats. It contains mathematical patterns, prime numbers, physical constants, structured information. At that point, the conversation changes instantly. We're no longer asking, does another universe exist? We're asking, who is sending the message? And then comes the biggest problem. Communication. If the universes are truly separate, we may not be able to send anything back. We could detect them without ever touching them. We could know another civilization exists without ever exchanging a single word. But suppose physics allows some form of interaction. Then humanity would face the most important communication experiment in history. We could ask questions that have never been asked before. What is your universe made of? How old is it? Do your physical constants match ours? Did your universe begin with a Big Bang? And eventually, did you discover us too? Could we enter it? Now let's go one step further. Suppose we don't just detect another universe. Suppose physicists discover a way to physically reach it. This is where everything becomes dangerous. A boundary between universes wouldn't necessarily look like a doorway. It might involve an exotic structure in space-time, a wormhole, a quantum transition, a collision between higher dimensional regions, or something physics hasn't even described yet. And crossing that boundary could be nothing like traveling through space. You wouldn't simply fly through a tunnel and arrive somewhere else. The fundamental properties of matter might change. Imagine entering a universe where the strength of electromagnetism is slightly different. The atoms making up your body might not behave normally. Chemical bonds could change. The spacecraft's materials could become unstable. Even something as basic as the behavior of light might be different. And there's another problem. We don't know whether the two universes could coexist peacefully. If their physical conditions were radically different, the boundary between them might release enormous amounts of energy. The first person to cross between universes might therefore be making the most dangerous journey imaginable. Not because of distance, but because they would be leaving the physical rules they evolved under.